In this video, I'm going to show you how to print. The first thing you need to do is install the printer software if you haven't done it before. Open up your web browser. I use Google Chrome, don't use Safari, and type the address repo.ncpachina.org/NSS. Then find installer A10 NCPA printer installer. After that downloads, you can click on the DMG to open it, and then double-click on the printer installer. Click Continue, and then Install. It will ask you for your computer password. Okay, and now I'm done. Click on the Close button, and if it asks to move the installer to the trash, click Move to Trash. Now let's print something. I'm just going to make a blank document here. I'm going to go to the File menu and then Print. Notice that it says NCPA printer in the printer section. That's what we want. So I'll just click Print. Now, the first time I print, it's going to ask me for my net ID and password. My net ID is the first part of my email address without the @ncpachina.org. And then I type my net ID password. It's the same as PowerSchool, it's the same as Office 365. And then that window will go away and I can go to the printer now and retrieve my job.